Kuris inline leather cutting system. In order to obtain a high productivity in leather cutting, the key is to split the process into several stages and to minimize the time when the cutter is being used for anything other than cutting. Therefore, operations like leather digitizing, nesting, and collecting should not be performed on the active area of the cutter, but on another table. However, the necessity to move the hide from one table to another may increase the time cycle, and this is not suitable for certain producers who require the shortest time possible in processing one hide. The solution is to process the hide in an inline continuous workflow. This system contains 3 different areas linked by a common conveyor belt: nesting, cutting, collecting. The first step is leather digitizing, performed on the first table. This table is provided with a video projector and a camera. Once the hide is placed on the surface, it will be immediately processed by detecting the contour using the camera photo digitizer, and also by performing the quality inspection and quality zone declaration. This can be done directly on the leather surface using the computer's mouse. If required, inspection can be done on both sides of the hide using Kuris' unique hide flip procedure. Leather inspection also provides a valuable tool for generating a report about the hide supply source by calculating very accurately the total hide surface and also by each quality level, so the purchaser can easily verify the accuracy of the quantity and quality specified in the invoice. Both manual and automatic nesting are available in the system. If the user is to make the nest manually, there is no need to perform any contour detection or quality inspection. The user just places the hide on the surface and starts to nest. Usually, manual nesting is required for very special quality conditions or matching restrictions, or for very rare or expensive hides. And in this situation, the nesting is done easily directly on the leather's surface. The wireless mouse and mini keyboard give the necessary freedom to the operator to move around the table and to always have a closer view of the hide's surface. In most cases, however, especially for shoes, bags, and production of other small items, automatic nesting is recommended because it provides high efficiency, high speed, and accurate quality zone matching. Once nesting is done on the hide, the cut file is generated, and the conveyor belt moves the hide into the cutting area, where the cutter will start to cut. Another hide can now be placed on the nesting area, and the operator can start to prepare it while the first leather is being cut. Usually the nesting time is almost the same as the cutting time, therefore the process will work at optimal performance and synchronization between stages. Depending on the hide's dimensions, different sizes of cutters can be used, ranging from a small 100 by 140 cm cutter used for sheep and goat hides, to a large 300 by 400 cm cutter for full cow hides. The tools installed on the cutter head may vary according to production requirements and may contain a high-frequency vibrating knife, an oscillating knife for bristle table, a round knife, different shapes of punches, drills, pens, or laser. After cutting, an important step is piece collecting. The conveyor belt will move the hide once again from the cutting area to the collecting area. This operation is also assisted by computer. A flashing light will mark different parts according to size or product group, while the name of the piece or group will be displayed directly on the cutter surface. Barcode labels can also be generated at this moment to create the link with later production phases. While the belt moves forward, another hide will arrive in the cutting area, and the nesting area will become available for the next hide. Of course, this entire process requires perfect mechanical synchronization and computer calibration to be able to accurately follow the position of a hide during the entire workflow. As you can see from this presentation movie, the inline system combines the advantages of a large-scale parallel configuration with the compact size of a small-scale all-on cutter system, providing a high output volume with a compact system size and a short production cycle. Comprehensive reports about consumption, efficiency, time and hide stocks are generated by the system to create a full and clear image of the entire workflow and results. Similar to the system presented in this movie, the leather cutting package can also be configured in many other ways, from very simple all-on cutter solution to large-scale parallel configurations, each one for a different budget and for different production volumes. To see other examples, please watch the other demo movies to find the best solution for your business. Kuris thanks you for watching this video.